The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 3, verse 38.
My Lord, grant me from yourself a good offspring. Indeed, you are the hearer of supplication.
Even though there is nothing wrong with asking for lawful worldly things, a Muslim should not be fooled into believing this is what the Holy Prophet Zechariah, peace be upon him, done. He did not supplicate for a child who would carry on his name, which the vast majority of Muslims do. He instead requested for a holy prophet, peace be upon him, who would continue his mission in spreading the word of Allah, the Exalted. So in fact, he did not request for a worldly thing, but a religious blessing from Allah, the Exalted. The inheritance mentioned in a similar supplication, found in chapter 19, verses 4 to 6, refers to this religious mission, and not to worldly things, as the holy prophets, peace be upon them, do not leave wealth as inheritance, they only leave behind knowledge. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sunnah, Ibn Majah, number 223. This supplication teaches Muslims to correct their intention, meaning, when they desire things, they should be connected to the hereafter, and not only to the material world. For example, a married couple should desire a child, for the purpose of increasing the number of obedient servants on earth, not for worldly reasons. And this intention should be supported and proven by one's actions, such as being patient when their request is not fulfilled. As a Muslim who desires religious things, only does so in order to please Allah, the Exalted. And if Allah, the Exalted, chooses not to grant that thing to them, they should accept his choice with patience, as this is what pleases Allah, the Exalted.